Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we dive into the latest and most powerful tech, breaking it down in simple words so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're looking at the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI, a gaming laptop that's here to prove that raw performance and smart AI features can go hand in hand. If you've been searching for a laptop that balances brute gaming power with modern AI-driven tools, this one might just make your shortlist. Let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is the gaming experience, because let's be honest, if you're considering a Predator, gaming is probably at the top of your list. The Helios Neo 16 SAI comes with the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. That's already enough to set expectations sky high. From the moment I booted into my favorite games, the frame rates were smooth, the graphics looked phenomenal, and there was barely a hint of stutter even during heavy action scenes. Running titles like Cyberpunk 2077, with path tracing enabled, felt like stepping into a different world. Lighting effects were realistic. Textures looked sharp, and the motion stayed fluid even at max settings. The AI integration here isn't just a marketing gimmick. Acer has built in AI-assisted performance tuning that dynamically adjusts CPU and GPU output depending on what you're doing. During long gaming marathons, it intelligently manages power draw and temperature to keep the laptop cool without sacrificing frame rates. This meant that even after hours of high-demand gameplay, I didn't feel the laptop getting uncomfortably hot, nor did I experience performance drops. Ray tracing performance is excellent here, with DLSS 4.0 support. Games that demand top-end graphical power suddenly become much more accessible, delivering high frame rates without sacrificing detail. Competitive gamers will also love that the display refresh rate goes up to 250 Hz on a 16-inch QHD Plus panel, which makes everything from fast-paced shooters to racing games feel ultra-responsive. The combination of this display and the powerful internals makes for a gaming experience that's immersive, smooth, and incredibly detailed. Now let's talk design and build quality. The Helios Neo 16 SAI feels every bit like a premium gaming machine. It's built with a robust aluminum chassis that's both strong and surprisingly sleek for a gaming laptop. The design language is bold but not over the top. The signature Predator aesthetic is there, but it's balanced with clean lines and subtle lighting accents. The RGB keyboard lighting is fully customizable, so you can make it as minimal or as flashy as you want. The cooling system has also been re-engineered for this generation, featuring a dual-fan setup with liquid metal thermal compound for the CPU. It's efficient, quiet under moderate loads, and only ramps up noticeably when you're pushing the hardware to its limits. The display deserves its own spotlight. It's a 16-inch QHD Plus mini LED panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and HDR capability. With up to 1000 nits of brightness, outdoor gaming or working isn't a problem. The high refresh rate combined with a very low response time makes it ideal for esports players who need every millisecond of advantage. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just streaming your favorite shows, this screen delivers stunning quality. Performance outside of gaming is equally impressive. This machine is built for creators as much as it is for gamers. Video editing, in 8K, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking are all handled effortlessly thanks to the combination of the Core Ultra 9 chip, RTX 5090 GPU, and up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. Storage is also lightning fast, with PCIe Gen 5 SSDs ensuring near load times and file transfers. The AI tools Acer has added also help streamline creative workflows, from automatic photo enhancement to AI-driven background removal in videos. These features save a surprising amount of time. Battery life is often the Achilles heel of gaming laptops, and while the Helios Neo 16 SAI isn't breaking any records here, it's still respectable. With moderate use like web browsing and streaming, you can get around 6 to 7 hours. During gaming, you'll want to keep it plugged in to get the full power of the GPU and CPU. Fast charging is supported, so you can get a big chunk of battery back in under an hour. The speakers are another highlight. Acer has fitted this laptop with a high-quality speaker system that supports DTS-X Ultra, delivering clear and punchy sound. Whether you're listening to in-game explosions or a cinematic soundtrack, the audio has depth and presence. That said, if you're a competitive gamer, you'll still probably want a good headset for positional audio precision. Connectivity options are excellent. You get multiple USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and a full-sized SD card reader, making it versatile for both gamers and creators. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures you get the fastest wireless speeds possible if your network can handle it. Overall, the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI is a beast of a laptop. It's powerful, intelligently designed, and equipped with features that make a real difference whether you're gaming or creating content. The AI enhancements feel genuinely useful, the display is one of the best in its class, and the performance is as high-end as it gets in a portable form. If you're after a machine that can handle anything you throw at it and look good doing it, this is one worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reviews of the latest gaming and creator laptops, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. This is Tech Vibe, bringing you the best in tech without the fluff. See you in the next one.